So children, our next topic is using the mouse in Windows. Page number 20, right? So the mouse is a very important device for Windows operating system because here you have to do clicking, right? Double clicking. These are the functions of mouse, right children? So here you have to use mouse frequently, right? And this mouse is used to select menus, tools or commands, icons or buttons, programs, files, folders, etc. Okay, so mouse is used to select the item. For example, if you want to select any icon, then you can use mouse, or you can select menus or tools or any command, right? Or any program, file, folders, all these things you can select with the use of the mouse. So mouse is very important device for Windows. Okay children, now here the mouse, here you can see that the mouse has right button, left button and one cable, right? The cable is attached to the CPU, right? And here right button is there and left button is there. Okay children, this is mouse, right? This is right button, this is left button, okay, and this is the cable you can see, right? So this is mouse, and the mouse is a small device with 2 or 3 buttons on it, right? The left mouse button is the most frequently used button. It is used to select items from a menu or point to a location onto the screen, right children? So left mouse button, that is the most frequently used button, and the right mouse button is also used to see the shortcut menus on the screen. Okay, so left mouse button and right mouse button, two buttons are there. Now mouse is kept and moved over the mouse pad, and when you move the mouse on the mouse pad, you will see the small arrow moving onto the screen, and this small arrow is called mouse pointer. Okay, give underline children. The definition of mouse pointer, very important. Okay, what is mouse pointer? So when you move the mouse over the mouse pad, you will see one small arrow onto the screen. Okay, and when you move the mouse, this arrow will also move to the direction, particular direction, right? And this arrow is called mouse pointer. Now when you press a mouse button, you can hear a click sound, okay? And so the action of pressing a mouse button is called clicking, right children? If you click the button of the mouse just like this, right? So here you will hear one click sound, and that's why this action is known as clicking, right? Now we will see the different functions of the mouse, different actions of the mouse, right? First is pointing. So what do you mean by pointing? So placing the mouse pointer over an icon or a tool, this is called pointing. Okay, very simple. If you, now you can see this is mouse pointer, right children? You can see this arrow in white color, right? This is desktop and this arrow is moving, right? As you move the mouse on the mouse pad, this arrow will also move on this screen. You can see this is called mouse pointer, right? And now we will see what do you mean by pointing, right? So what is pointing? Placing the mouse pointer over the tool or icon. In short, pointing the mouse on an item. This is called pointing the mouse on an item. Here you have placed this arrow on this icon, Google Chrome. Now you can see, okay, this is highlighted. So it means that you are pointing this icon, right? In this way, when you place the mouse pointer over an icon or a tool, this is called pointing. Okay. Now we will see clicking. So to press and release a mouse button is called clicking. Press the mouse button and quickly release the mouse button. This is called clicking. Then left click. Left click means to click the left mouse button. Right, children? Okay. When you click the left mouse button, this is called left clicking. Okay. Usually the term click means left clicking because the left mouse button is the most frequently used button. Okay. Now we will see right clicking. So this is to click the right mouse button. Okay. When you click the right mouse button, this is called right clicking. Then after double clicking. So double click means to quickly press the mouse button 2 times. Right. Quickly press the mouse button 2 times. This is called double click. Okay. And next action of the mouse is dragging. Drag means to hold down a mouse button, then move the mouse without releasing the button, and then release the mouse button. This is called dragging. Right, children? For example, dragging means to hold down a mouse button in this way, and then after move the mouse without releasing the mouse button, and then after slowly release the mouse button. This is called drag. Right? So these are the different actions of the mouse, children. Okay. Pointing, click, left click, right click, double click and drag. Right? Now for example, on the desktop, point to recycle bin. This is recycle bin. Right? Okay, children, it contains the files and folders that you have deleted. Right? So deleted items will be stored in recycle bin. Now when you point to recycle bin and when you place the mouse pointer over an icon, the icon and its name will be highlighted. Okay. Now you can see this recycle bin is highlighted. This means that the icon has been selected. Okay. It means that this recycle bin icon has been selected. Right. This is the before selection, you can see, and after selection it looks like this. You can see, right? Same for computer, my computer. This is before selection and this is after selection. You can see this icon is highlighted. Okay. So this is called, this icon is selected. Right, children?